Hi everyone, in this video I'd like to show you how to create an assignment. Go up here to the navigation bar and click on assignment. Here you can see I have an assignment already for the Spanish 1001 class. I'm going to assign them a different assignment right now. Okay, click on create new assignment and give it a title. I'm having a little trouble spelling here. Alternate ending. And typing. Okay. Write an alternate ending to the book La Chica Nueva in English. Okay, just to see if students are paying attention to what they're reading. Select your class group, select the date it is assigned, and the date that it is due. Make it due on Monday. The language, La Chica Nueva is a Spanish book, so it can be in Spanish. Filter by level and book. Okay, level 1, and already the book is selected, La Chica Nueva. Save, and there you have it. Hope that helps.